Join discord.gg/flatearth and enter a check-in room. Someone will come along and verify you to get involved in the conversation about our Earth.
That can even compete against each other.
Pinky,
and all this.
Pinky,
And there's
spare
all
us the
relevance.
motive.
Wait, listen.
Spare us the motive speech. No,
It's-
Pinky,
it's-
spare us the motive
that's
speech,
just-
dude. Spare us the motive. Spare us the motive speech, dude. Well, if everybody was in on it, dude, let's just skip that and go straight to the evidence. That's what we want to talk about. We don't want to talk about why psychopaths do what they do, bro. Like, let's just drop that whole why would they do that shit.
No, but this
we're not
is
gonna
also...
talk about that. Let's just, bro, let's get into the evidence.
Okay, but you've asked for evidence, and this is the one I want to talk about.
Because Pinky, it's not evidence. It's not motive, brother.
Wait, listen.
It's not the motive of what. Listen,
Pink. Yeah.
Sure.
Ladder, just please, whoever's jumping in here besides me, please. So what we're doing right now is ascertaining the information for what evidence there is for the claim of the Earth being a globe. We don't care to hear about the motive of why psychopaths do what they do. We don't care at all. Period. Zero. We don't want to hear it. I don't care if maybe somebody that you know, a friend of yours, has the information. We just care of the evidence. That's all we care, Pinky. So the next words that you should be talking about are the ones that are going to be pointing us to the evidence that you have. That's all. So let's just start there.
Right.
Nice and calm.
We can do that, but
no, we will do that. We will do that. No more diatribes. No more diatribes. No more soliloquies.
This is what evidence. Okay, listen. See, this is why I didn't want to talk about it. This is the evidence I want to bring to this, right?
I can help you real quick. It's not evidence, right? It's a geometric claim, and you're making a social argument. That's the problem, right? So start making a geometric claim.
Yes, I know. It's not concrete, but this is still, in fact, evidence. If you don't know this, so just listen to this, right? There's so many, like all these things that you're doing, which is like, if I bring up a certain thing, you'll say, oh, well,
now, you're talking about me now. You're talking about us. No. That's not a geometric argument.
I'm not talking about you specifically. I'm just saying flat Earth is what they'll do.
Okay.
There's a certain amount of study that you guys...
A group of people, that's not a geometric argument.
There's a certain amount of study into all this stuff.
Are you seriously doing this, Pinky? Are you divining people's thoughts now, divining their thoughts? Well, if I was to give you the evidence, it's just like you wouldn't hear it to do. Just tell us the goddamn evidence, bro. Stop playing footsies with us under the table, bro. Just tell us the goddamn evidence so we can get on with it.
Okay.
You're waffling, bro.
No, all right. Listen, let's say this. So I think I'll just talk some other time because this is what I want to talk about. But this is, so I think I'll just probably leave it.
Relax, okay, you have no evidence to talk about. You want to talk about other things instead. Okay, noted.
No, I'm talking about it, especially since the way you're reacting. I can tell this is something you haven't considered.
You're making a social argument.
We just want you to join the conversation.
What's his evidence? Did you say it yet?
You're jumping through freaking hoops just to tell us evidence, bro. Like, it's motive, then it's divining people's thoughts. Now it's like, well, my feelings are hurt now, so I think I'm about to excuse myself. Dude, is this what you're talking about with evidence? Like, why don't you just get down to it? Just get right down to the evidence, tell us what it is, and we'll talk about it. And don't get all like your feelings are hurt now.
All right. Listen,
stage left, bro.
What I want to talk about is a statistical argument and also an argument from
the fuck?
That's not geometry, dude.
We're talking about the freaking shape of the Earth. Like the man said, geometry. Why can't we start there? It is a geometric shape, is it not?
Because of this argument that I'm talking about.
Is it a geometric shape?
Yes, it is, but this is one of the more important ones, which I feel like a lot of you guys don't seem to grasp.
What's statistical argument, bro? What's your statistics? What is it?
No, who the fuck?
Okay.
What? No, fuck some statistics, dude. We need some geometry. No. Fuck some geometry. Fuck some statistics, dude. We need some geometry right fucking now. Now, fuck the statistics. I don't give a fuck about who said what. Bring some fucking geometry right now. Where's that shit? Because that's what we're concerned about. Fuck statistics. I don't give a fuck how many people thought about what, who, where, when, why. Give us some goddamn geometry right fucking now. Like, that's what we need right now. That's all we need. Geometry. Geometry. Sphere, radius, diameter, circumference. Let's have it. Go ahead. Whenever you're ready, present geometry.
I'm sorry, I don't want to talk about that.
Thank you.
Pinky, I gotta be honest. I think it's weird that you're scared of like geometric claims.
It's the sphere. We're talking about a
I'm definitely not scared of it.
Well, then just tell us. Geometry.
I just think something else is more important. I mean, I'd rather talk about something else.
Something else is more important than the geometry of the Earth that we're standing on. Is something else more important? That is the actual claim that we're talking about. We're getting down to the claim of geometry. And you're telling me there's other things that are important to provide evidence instead of geometry? Drop over distance? What could it be?
Well, listen, if you guys ever want to talk about that, I'm happy to do it. I don't know.
What?
I'm not going to get bullied into talking about something.
No, we don't care. We don't care how Group A likes ice cream and Group B says that they don't like flat Earth. I don't give a shit about that. I give a care about like what people are saying about the geometry of Earth. In that the people who think the Earth is a globe, they think it has a radius, diameter, and circumference. So how do we know that's the truth, Pinky? Because that's the only thing that we're concerned about, not about stupid statistics. No one cares about that except for you and every other globe earther who wants to talk about every other derivative topic under the sun except for geometry. Right?
Yeah, because this would answer the whole question. This would be the first question that you need to answer, right?
Yo, Witsy Gets It. What's up, bro? I share your videos all the time, bro.
Thank you.
It's kind of too much for him most of the time.
Appreciate the shout out, my good sir. But we're getting to the bottom of why Pinky's not giving us that geometric shape.
Yeah, let's focus here. Focus.
Pinky's chilling. He's trolling. He either knows or
I don't give a fuck. Let's not divine his thoughts. Let him answer the question, guys. Whoever's answering right, let Pinky stand up on his own 10 toes and tell us. Go ahead, Pinky. That was your cue.
Look, if your statistics have to do with measurement, uncertainty, or precision, yeah, then it would be valid. But
no, this is just in general, like smart.
Hold on.
How to see further in certain situations, which I think is going to be far more useful than going through different things.
Fuck me, dude.
The statistics
anyway,
are based
I'll do it.
No, the statistics are based upon what? A Gaussian probability or Lorentzian p-values, like what?
Bayesian. But anyway, I'll see you guys.
A Bayesian inference.
What is the likeliness the government will lie?
Hold on, man. Fucker derailers, dude. Based upon what data set?
Just there's no single data set. It's just all the different evidence you see in life, and
so no data anecdotes.
No, just. I mean, I could explain it, but I feel like
no, you don't actually have anything to explain because I just asked you what data set, and you don't have any data.
All right, so I joined this server trying to explain stuff.
Yeah, so now you're going to talk about us.
Now I try to explain it.
No.
You don't let me explain it, and then now you want to ask me questions about it.
So can you derive Bayesian inferences without data from which to draw?
I'm going to come back when there's a list.
Yeah. When you actually have evidence.
Oh, not only do I have evidence, I'm very
So where's the data? So where's the data?
No, I'm talking.
Wait, let me look. Can I hold his hand?
Yeah, bye.
Yeah.
I'll come back when there's flat earthers that. I'll come back when there's flat earthers that let me just waffle like I want to, and then I'll go ahead and just waffle because that's what I want to do. Ain't that right, Pinky? Because other flat earthers let you waffle and do shit so that you can just be here waxing everybody like you're intelligent when you're saying absolutely nothing.
He gone.
Good job.
Pseudo.
He gone.
He said it himself, though. He said he's just a normal globe earther, and it displays what a normal globe earther is. It's somebody who doesn't know anything about the globe. And we're over here knowing two models, asking for evidence.
Spartans! What is your profession? See, old friend, I brought more soldiers than you did.